or Scala basic interview questions or basic understanding of the Scala. So the first question is, what is the Scala? Scala stands for Scalable Language. It is multiple paradigm programming language. It supports both object-oriented programming language as well as the functional programming language. It's run for the JVM, which is a Java Virtual Machine. The next question is, what are the major advantages of Scala? So as you know, the major advantage of Scala language are it's very precise and very small code, and it has a flexible syntax. It supports all kind of object oriented features, OOPS features, and more reusable code and highly productive code. The next question is, give me some example of JVM language. So as we know, the JVM based Java, Scala, Groovy, Closures are very popular for JVM language. Next question is, what is superclass of classes in Scala? So as you know, in Java we have a superclass for the all class. In the Scala, is any class is the superclass of all classes in Scala. Next question is, what is the default access modifier in Scala? The default access modifier in Scala is public. And what is similar between Scala integer and java.lang.integer? So both are used to define integer. Both are class and both are 32 bits assigned integer. Okay, so next question is, what is the null in Scala? Null is a type in Scala, right? And it's available in Scala package scala.null. What is unit in Scala? So answer, Scala, a unit is used to represent no value or no unit value in the package. It's defined as a Scala unit. What is variable and what is val in Scala? So variable is standing for variable, val is standing for value. Var is used to define mutable variable, and value can be assigned after the creation of it. Val is used to defining immutable variables, and which means the value cannot be reassigned once it's created. Okay, what is REFL in Scala? So basically, a REFL stands for it's REPL stands for REPL. It stands for reading, evaluating, and print loops. Generally, we call REFL. It's an interpreter to execute Scala code from command line or command prompt. So what is the Scala if else? Scala, it's very simple. We can assign variable like example val year if count equal to 0, then 2014 as 2015. What do you mean by Scala map? So Scala map is basically like the Python map. So it's a key and value base. This is uh, a Scala map is collection of key value pair where the value as represented the using key. Values map are not unique, but keys are the unique. There are two types of maps, mutable and immutable. What do you understand by closure in Scala? Closure is the function is a Scala where the return value of the function depends on one or more than one variable which is defined outside of function. What do you mean by option in Scala? It's used for wrapping a missing value. What is a Scala thread? So thread is a special kind of enable the multiple inheritance. Okay, give me some example package in Scala. So we have package like lang Scala, predefined package Scala. Let's move this next. What is used tuple in Scala? Scala tuple is used to combine the fixed number of items together. Nature-wise, tuple are immutable and can hold the object with the different types, right? What is monad in Scala? Monad is object in Scala which wrap another object. Scala, how you will format a string? So basically, it's like a format percentage and percentage format. Like it's similar kind of, not similar to Python, but looks like similar. What is a Scala identifier? There are four type of Scala identifier: alphanumeric identifier, operator identifier, mix identifier, literal identifier. What are the different type of literal in Scala? Literal are in Scala as given below: integer literal, floating point literal, boolean literal, symbol literal, character literal. What is the latest version of Scala? So 2.14, I think. This requires Java 8. Which keyword is used to define a function in the def keyword is used to define a function in Scala. Differentiate object and class in Scala. So an object is a singleton instance of class. It does not need to initiate by the developer. What do you mean by Akka in Scala? Akka is a concurrency framework in Scala which is used actor-based model building of JVM. How to compile run Scala? Scala compile Scala C to compile program and Scala command to run. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and I will